What's good, people? I am back. My name is Victoria, JustTheRealV. I am back with another hair video, and I am going to be attempting a wool twist type look on top of my locks. If you'd like to see how that's going to turn out, please stay tuned. I need to wash my hair first because this is hella crispy. But yeah, I'm going to wash it out and then I'll be back and show you exactly step by step how I do this. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you know when I drop new videos, and of course like this video, comment and let me know what you think about the hairstyle. If you think I'm doing anything wrong, let me know. If you love what I'm doing, show some love. See you in a bit, guys. Right, so guys, first thing that I'm going to do is take down this dead bun. I need some moisture up in this joint. What I'm going to do is wash my hair. It's going to be a quick wash, and then I'm going to prep my hair. So I'll show you how that goes first, and then we'll get started. So my hair is freshly washed. I couldn't find a t-shirt, so I just found a random top. So pretty. Anywho, this is the wool that I'm going to be using. I'll show you how I measure that out shortly.
Okay guys, so I'm going to explain what's going on here. I'm using a fan on this occasion, and it's got like a little knob thing that I'm basically using to hold the other end. But I've got my finger which is holding the loose end of the thread. I'm wrapping it round this loop over and over again till I get as many as I can as possible, and then I only cut one side. And I'm only cutting the one side that my finger is holding because that's where I started from. So what I should have is, if I pull one of those strands out, it should be basically double the length, if that makes sense. And as you can see on the bed, please forgive my background, but it was hair day and I had 1,012 other things that I needed to do. But anyway, you can see that I've already pre-cut some of this yarn / wool, whatever you prefer to call it. And yeah, in total I used about 2.5 packs. Or balls, yeah.
But what I'm going to do first is section off my hair. So as I mentioned, this is freshly washed. Oh, it smells great. And if you remember from my installation video, I had help to get this done. And Rianne basically helped me to put some patterns in. So I've got some grid lines that I'm going to be following, and I'm not going to use a phone. I'm literally going to do it by hand and work with each section. So if I show you that, you should be able to see. I'm not sure that works, but I'll zoom in. Anyway, that's a clean. I separated my hair into two, literally down the middle. I'm going to separate this back section into maybe 4. And I'm going to be using elastic bands, rubber bands, to get it ready. So let's see if I can do this properly. I don't know if any of that was caught. I hope it was. If not, I'm going to come back to the front and show you. In summary, I'm using my hands to section the hair, grab a bit, and then use a rubber band to tie it off. Sorry, I don't know why I'm acting like I did some exercise. Whew. I'm putting some black Jamaican castor oil on my base in the partings, and I would say I've got about 5 or 6 microlocs in each section. And then we'll figure out how much of this I'm going to use when I eventually get it ready. I do want the twist to be quite long, so yeah, I'll figure it out and I'll let you know. But I'm going to do the back, and then when I get to the front, I'll do a close-up and show you exactly how I'm sectioning the hair, because I'm not using a tool, just my hands. I ain't even started yet and I'm tired. Okay, so I'm back. I've done all of these on the side and at the back. I had 12 at the back and I think I've got like 10 or so on this side. I'm going to start with this, and then what I will do, this is the last quarter, and then what I'll do is I'll count everything and let you know how much I've got. So let's see how this goes. My face is hella shiny. Still damp. So I'm going to take the first 2 rows. Let's hope it works. You don't really start from the back. Kind of, I think. Wait, no, that's too much. There we go. See, look at that. This is why I worked on wet hair, and if my hair gets dry, I'm putting the cream of nature spray in at the roots. Okay. Get that out of the way, and what I'm going to do is with these I'm going to split it into 2. Moisturize my scalp, just some oil, grab an elastic band, see that? And then grab this section at the back and also do the same. So guys, I've done these 2. I'm tired and I'm on my knees trying to do this so that I can get the right angle, so I'm going to come back when I've done all of this. You can see this side's already done and it doesn't even look like I've got locks. But I'll come back and let you know how it goes. Okay, I'm back. Ignore the lighting. We're just trying to show you content. We being me, myself and I. So, with my partings, oh gosh, my legs. Y'all can see I got the twists in. And I literally just have 8 more to do on this side. So I'm going to show you how I do it. And I will zoom in as well actually.
Okay guys, so what I'm showing you here is a close-up of my hair. I've just taken one out and I'm using raw shea butter to make sure I coat the ends. The main thing for me is to make sure that, because my hair is going into a protective style, I want to make sure that I lock in as much moisture as possible. I'm also grabbing the yarn and I have exactly 9 strands for each twist. If the parting or the section of hair that I have is quite thin by my eye, when I say quite thin, I'm talking about around the edges, I'll use maybe 10 or 11 strands, but for the most part I think I used about 8 or 9 strands. You just have to do it by eye. So I'm putting the hair over, and what I'm doing is, because my locks are in single, well, 2-strand twists, I'm able to separate each of the locks into one of the sections of yarn as I'm braiding down, and I'm basically doing that for about 2 or 3 rotations until I've got my hair, my natural hair, split across the 2 pieces of yarn. I then twist the hair. The action that I'm using is a roll and twist. So for people that get Senegalese twist, this is the exact same method that I use when I'm doing twists on my natural hair, and also when I'm doing twists on any sort of protective style as well. Make sure you roll the hair in your fingers, and then you roll it as you go across when you're twisting the hair. This makes sure that your twists always stay together and it doesn't come out, especially when you moisturize your hair. And this is just me speeding it up so that, you know, I can show you how it goes. Remember, I don't put elastic bands at the bottom, and I make sure that I tuck in the hair as I'm going along, as you can see here.
Okay, I'm completely done with all of the twists. I am definitely feeling this style. I've actually had this before, both as crochet and also as twists from the roots, similar to what I did today. And I think I used the rubber band method then as well. What I'm going to do next is basically measure my hair and then try and grab it and cut the end, if that makes any sense. Let me see if I can do it on camera. So, with the center part, relaxing the braids down, patting it into position, and making sure there's no tangles, which is quite difficult. I think I've got everything together. So I'm going to cut here, just over my finger. So this is the worst. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. So I've cut this off. I'm so scared to turn around. Okay, it's not bad. Hopefully you can see that. So this is going in the bin. I've got elastic bands, and I'm basically gonna finish the ends. Oh, let me see if they fall well. I might trim a little bit. Let me do the elastic bands and then come back. Okay, so I am back and I have finished trimming the ends and adding the elastic bands. Hopefully I can show you, oh god, I can kind of show you what the back looks like. My knees. Weirdly, it kind of looks quite lock-ish, but also jumbo twist-ish. Yeah, I can definitely see myself doing this again. So, all the information that you guys need to follow this will be in the description box below. If you haven't done so already, please do comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I will try and insert some pictures where I've actually painted my face and I look like a normal person. Thanks guys, bye!